Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying permissions. If you lack local admin rights, request temporary access or an exception from IT because the store often needs elevated changes. Once you have permission, open settings and inspect app's optional features to see if Microsoft Store is installed or disabled. Next, run WS Reset, EXE to clear cache. It's a quick action that often restores functionality without deeper changes. If that doesn't work, prepare to use PowerShell commands. Make sure you're running as administrator. Once you're in PowerShell as administrator, execute the reinstall/reset command to re-register store packages. This rebuilds app registrations and often fixes missing entries. While that runs, open services and confirm Microsoft Store install service and Windows Update are running. Store relies on them. Make sure to check Group Policy Editor or your school's MDM profile for explicit store blocks, because settings there can override local fixes. If you find a policy, document the exact rule so IT can evaluate the risk and possibly whitelist the store. Finish by testing with a clean local user account to rule out profile corruption. If the store works there, migrate data or reset the original profile. If the device is centrally managed, present IT with a clear business or educational justification and request a scoped exception rather than circumventing controls. As a last resort, and only with IT approval, perform an in-place Windows repair or reinstall to restore system components. Tip: if nothing works, collect error codes and logs before contacting IT to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.